Hey there, this is Sean Donaho, and let me ask you a very serious question. How is your website traffic? Now, a lot of people have been recently hit by all sorts of changes in the search engines. Things like Google Panda, Penguin, Snake, Elephant, Zebra, Gecko, whatever part of their arsenal of the zoo that they're throwing at people. Well, it's kind of crazy, and these are very crazy times. And the problem is, a lot of people have been very deeply impacted by this. A lot of SEO experts out there have been giving out false information that has left people like you hurting big time with their websites. Well, all is not lost. Now, let me ask you another question. Would you like to get on the first page of Google and stay there? Would you like to see your rankings dramatically increase in weeks or even days? Would you like to see more traffic, more conversions, and more sales than ever before? Well, good. I know that sounds like a big claim, but we have something that might be able to help you. I'll tell you about that in just a few moments. Now, let me tell you about Dave. Dave came to me the other day. He's a very respected internet marketer, and he said, Sean, I have over 400 websites that have literally dropped off the face of the earth. Now, this guy is no dummy when it comes to SEO and marketing. He's a very, very respected marketer. Now, he came to me and said, what can I do? I know you've got stuff that you do, and I've seen your websites dramatically just shoot up the search engines. What are you doing that I'm not? So I sat with him for a while, and he was he's a paid student of mine, paying a lot of money to consult with me. And we decided, okay, what can we do? What are we going to be able to do to help him? So I shared with him a very secret strategy, a strategy I've been using for a long number of years, but I've been keeping to myself. It's one of my private special weapons. And I said, let's try this. Let's apply this strategy to one of your websites and see how it does. And the results were astounding. He went from page 20 to page 1 in just 3 days, using the very strategies that I'm talking about in this video. Now, here's the cool thing. It's not difficult to do. The strategies are very simple. They allow you to build automatically incredibly authoritative links that Google and all the search engines love. And here's the cool thing. It's 100% autopilot. No mucking around. And here's the thing. When you're building authority links and you're doing backlinks with authority websites, it takes time. It takes hours. And it's a very, I'll be quite honest, I hate it. It's a very time-intensive and can be very expensive process as well. Now, you could buy software that will attempt to do a lot of these authoritative links for you, and half the time they make a very poor effort. They get slapped by the search engines. In fact, Google is actively trying to penetrate some of these software tools and the networks they build, finding out how to circumvent them and how to knock them right out of the rankings. Lots of people have been hit by that, especially with some of the most recent Google updates. So what can you do? Well, you can get this plugin called Loki Link Builder. And this is what we do. We build these authoritative links 100% on autopilot. They're multi-tiered links, and you develop your own personal high-quality link network completely on autopilot. It's literally set and forget marketing. Something very, very rare. And when it does, when you hear about that, most of the time, doesn't work worth a damn. Well, that's where we change the game here. Because I've taken my personal strategy, I've put this and encapsulated it into a WordPress plugin that you can install right now. You can put it on your blog. You just enter some basic information, basically what you want to target, how you want to target. You could even put in your own links, because we use a wide array of highly authoritative links. But hey, if you've already built some links, no problem, you can add those in here. Hey, you can even put in your RSS feeds from like your article directories, your Web 2.0 sites, and Loki will literally take out the links and promote those as well. And again, it does it on a multiple level. So your website is always protected. It builds these multi-tier links, and here's the cool thing. We get Google to build your links for you. Now that may sound crazy, but when you get this plugin, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. It's very, very clever stuff. And again, this is something I've been using for a long number of years, and even with the Panda and Penguin update, we did see a dance, as everyone did because of the index changes and everything else, but we came back stronger than ever because Google saw, re-indexed what we're doing, saw how everyone else was doing it, and again, we accelerated past our competition. So again, this is a tool that you can get right now, and here's how you do it. You see below me right now, there is a button. You can click on that. The cost of this plugin is $47. And when you think about what the value you get out of getting all this extra traffic, all these extra sales, and these higher rankings, that's a fraction of the cost of your potential returns. Again, compare it to some of these these crazy expensive tools. They can cost hundreds of dollars a month. This is a one-time cost. And again, you get 60 days to test this out. There's no risk involved here at all. We want to make sure you have no risk at all. I take all the risk. I'm giving you my personal secret strategy. You get the opportunity to take this plugin and the strategies that I reveal to you. You get to apply this, put this to work for yourself, and if it doesn't work for you, if you don't like it, if it doesn't do exactly what I say it'll do, no problem. Just ask for a refund. You have a full 60 days to test this out. No questions asked, no problem at all. It's literally that simple. I'm literally giving you all of these solutions on a silver platter. All you have to do is click on that button below me. Now, like I say, there's lots of things you can do with this. We have lots of different strategies that we share in the training section. And again, all of this is at your disposal. But here's the thing. I'm going to sleep well tonight. I know I've already applied this to all of my websites. I can sleep soundly knowing that this plugin is working 24/7, 365, automatically building authoritative links to every single one of my websites. The question is, how are you going to sleep? If you've got lots of websites right now, you're seeing no traffic, maybe you didn't have any rankings to start with, and you just want to see, hey, can I boost my traffic? Can I boost my rankings? Well, that's exactly what this plugin will do for you. And before I forget, because I've got ADD, as you may or may not know, we've also thrown in here, we start off with a basic list of 600 sites where you can build authoritative links from. However, I've, over the last few years, gathered a list of over 8,000 secret sources of authoritative backlinks. I'm going to give you that as well, just as part of this plugin and training. So you can get all of this, the plugin, the fantastic training, some of the best supports in the industry, that special pack of 8,000 links, all of this to help you boost your rankings, boost your sales, boost your conversions, maximize your profits. And again, you can get all of that just by installing this one simple plugin and let it rock for you. Now, if you're thinking, okay, this isn't really for me, you've got to this stage of the video, let me ask you another question. Do you not want better rankings? Do you not want more conversions? Do you not want more sales? Do you not want more time to spend with your family? Do you enjoy all that manual link building and worrying about whatever is going on and whatever the next Google animal they're throwing at you is going to be? If you answer yes to that, then honestly, this is not the plugin for you. But I know you're one of the smart ones. You've got to this stage, you know you need more traffic, you know you need sales, you know you need more conversions, and anything you can do that will help you with this is going to be beneficial to you. So that's why I know that you're going to want this plugin, and I know you're going to click that button. So I congratulate you for being one of the smart marketers out there and smart entrepreneur and business owner, because that is what this is all about. We want to give you these strategies. We want to help you achieve the success, get more traffic, get more sales, and everything else. So click on that button below me there. I will see you in the training center very shortly, and we'll get you rocking and rolling with Loki Link Builder. Thanks very much. Click that button.